This 2024 Keystone Avalanche 390DS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Keystone is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Easton interior, Sleep 7, air conditioning, slideout, skylight, refrigerator, microwave, LP detector, TV antenna, external shower, water heater, self-contained, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, loft, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Avalanche 390DS is 14,260 pounds. This 2024 Keystone Avalanche 390DS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.